Please subscribe and like with comment my channel. While tortoises are intriguing creatures, it's a bit challenging to come up with 50 distinct secrets about them, but I can provide you with a more extensive list of interesting facts and lesser known information. 1. Longevity. Some tortoise species can live over 100 years. 2. Diverse species. There are over 50 species of tortoises worldwide. 3. Unique shells. A tortoise's shell is actually a part of its skeleton, made of bone and covered by keratin. 4. Slow metabolism. Tortoises have a very slow metabolic rate, allowing them to survive with minimal food and water. 5. Powerful jaws. They have strong, beak-like mouths adapted for chewing tough vegetation. 6. Sex determination. Some tortoise species have temperature-dependent sex determination, meaning the temperature during incubation can determine the gender of the hatchlings. 7. Desert adaptations. Desert tortoises can store water in their bladders for survival during dry periods. 8. Land dwellers. Tortoises are exclusively land-dwelling, unlike turtles that spend much of their lives in water. 9. Defense mechanism. If threatened, tortoises can retract their limbs and head into their shells for protection. 10. Slow speed. Their slowness is due to their heavy shell and unique limb structure. 11. Limited vocalization. Tortoises are generally silent creatures and do not produce vocal sounds. 12. Nesting behavior. Female tortoises dig holes in the ground to lay their eggs, and then they cover and protect the nest. 13. Herbivorous diet. They primarily eat plants, such as grasses, leaves, and fruits. 14. Salt excretion. Tortoises can excrete excess salt from their bodies through salty tears. 15. Nocturnal activity. Some tortoise species are more active at night to avoid extreme daytime temperatures. 16. Endangered status. Many tortoise species are endangered due to habitat destruction and the pet trade. 17. Slow growth. Tortoises grow very slowly, and their growth rate varies with species and age. 18. Sunbathing. Tortoises bask in the sun to regulate their body temperature and to aid in digestion. 19. Copious tears. They may appear to cry, but these tears are not due to emotions. They help with moisture balance. 20. Gender differences. Male tortoises typically have longer tails and concave plastrons, bottom shell, to aid in mating. 21. Homing instinct. Some tortoises have a remarkable ability to navigate and return to their home territory. 22. Vulnerable hatchlings. Tortoise hatchlings are susceptible to predators, which is why they often lay many eggs. 23. Prehistoric existence. Tortoises have been on Earth for over 200 million years. 24. Territorial behavior. They can be territorial, defending a specific area for feeding and mating. 25. Overlap with turtles. The terms tortoise and turtle are often used interchangeably, but they refer to different types of chelonians. 26. Noiseless walkers. Their feet are padded and quiet, making them stealthy walkers. 27. Coprophagy. Some tortoises eat their own feces to extract more nutrients from their food. 28. Burrowing. Some species are skilled burrowers, creating underground shelters. 29. Protective scent glands. Some tortoises have glands on their legs that secrete a foul-smelling substance for defense. 30. Seasonal estivation. During extremely hot or dry periods, tortoises may enter a state of dormancy called estivation. 31. Large eggs. Tortoise eggs are relatively large compared to their body size. 32. Island adaptation. Certain species of giant tortoises have evolved to be incredibly large on remote islands. 33. Island ecology. Tortoises often play a crucial role in shaping the ecosystems of the islands they inhabit. 34. Lack of teeth. They don't have teeth. Instead, they use a sharp beak to cut and tear vegetation. 35. Poaching threat. Tortoises are illegally captured and sold as pets in some regions, threatening wild populations. 36. Captive breeding. Conservation efforts involve breeding tortoises in captivity to release them back into the wild. 37. Environmental sensitivity. Tortoises are highly sensitive to changes in their environment. 38. Hibernate. In colder regions, some tortoise species hibernate during the winter. 39. Ancient symbolism. Tortoises have symbolized longevity and wisdom in various cultures. 40. Nocturnal vision. Their eyes are adapted for low light, which is useful for their nocturnal activity. 41. Limited hydration. Tortoises obtain most of their water from the plants they eat. 42. Burden for some species. The sulcata tortoise, native to Africa, is often abandoned by pet owners as it grows very large. 43. Size variation. Tortoise species range from a few inches to several feet in size. 44. Camouflage. Some tortoises have coloration and patterns that help them blend into their environment. 45. Cautious eaters. They tend to take small, measured bites when feeding. 46. Climate adaptations. Different tortoise species have evolved to thrive in a wide range of climates, from deserts to forests. 47. Educational value.